Hi, hello and welcome to Sizzling Vidya YouTube channel. This video is going to be on entryway and shoe rack organization. In case you live in a rented apartment or maybe a PG or a hostel or even maybe your own house, this organization video could be of help to you. So without wasting time, let's quickly get started. This is the current state of my shoe rack. I'm going to show how to declutter, clean and organize them in an efficient way. The step 1 is to empty the contents and declutter them by seeing what we need, what we don't use, what doesn't fit anymore, etc. I'm using a plastic bag to donate all these footwear which we don't need anymore. Regular decluttering of space gives us more room to accommodate new things. I have categorized them into 3: the bag with donation, footwear that needs washing and cleaning, and the other set of leather footwear which needs cleaning. Before washing, ensure that the footwear doesn't have any dust or mud on them. You may use a regular shoe brush to remove them before washing. Now I am using my washing machine in the regular wash cycle to wash all these footwear. For this, I am adding my regular detergent along with Vanish, about 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and lastly half a cup of vinegar. In between the cycle, I have paused the machine to show you that already all the footwears are clean without any efforts of scrubbing. In case you feel the need for scrubbing, then you may use a regular scrubber to do so. Also, washing like this doesn't leave the footwear wet as it gets drained and spinned well in the machine. Now you can see that all these footwears are bright and nice without any efforts of scrubbing or cleaning. I had left them to dry overnight and they are completely dry now. I have been using this cleaning method for last 9 years now. For the leather, I wipe them with a damp cloth and once they are dry, use the regular polish on them. Now I am going to use these type of organizers to maximize the vertical space in my shoe rack. These come with adjustable angles to fit any size of footwear. In this organizer, you can keep one pair of footwear, one on the top and one on the bottom like this. This one is a flat organizer where one set can be kept on top and another set of footwear can be slided inside in the bottom part, which makes it space efficient. In case your footwear stinks due to sweat or moisture, then you may use these kind of naphthalene balls and leave it overnight. The next day your footwear will smell fresh. Alternatively, you can also use tea bags as an odor remover, as both tea bags and naphthalene balls act as a moisture absorbent. I am using these kind of plastic placemats to line the shoe rack shelves for easy cleaning. Before reorganizing, I am using my all-purpose cleaner to clean my shoe rack. And also, these plastic mats protect the wooden shelves from moisture. This is my foyer area. The size of this place is around 5 feet by 5 feet. This is the place where you land as soon as you enter the house. On the top, I have placed few decorative frames on the wall. I have used a bright runner on top. Here I have used a wooden tray to keep a plant and a decorative vase. Next to that is a mirror and a money plant. On the left side, I have kept a wicker basket to drop any knickknacks after coming back home, maybe like a shopping bag, helmet, etc. I also use this basket to keep umbrellas and raincoats during rainy season for easy access. On the right side, I have kept a decorative planter. This shoe rack is of 3 feet height. It has 2 drawers on top. In the left side drawer, I have used an organizer to keep all the keys. Behind, I have kept washed and cleaned masks in this kind of an organizer. And I have also kept few ID cards. On the right side drawer, I have kept few things like shoe polish, shoe brush, shoe shine, room freshener, etc. in an organizer. Next to that is a pen and a notepad, along with a card holder for few immediate contacts of service providers that we may need anytime. I also have a box of coins here. The bottom part is my shoe storage. The top ones are my husband's office wear. The second row is mine and my son's outside wear. The third row is for regularly used daily footwears. The last shelf is kept empty to accommodate any guest footwear. All the fancy and occasionally worn footwears are not kept here. Only the regularly used ones are kept here. I have also used a command hook to hold the air freshener for the shoe rack to always smell fresh. In case you live in a PG or hostel, you may use these kind of over-the-door hanging organizer. This comes with 24 pockets and are pretty sturdy to accommodate all kinds of footwear. Each pocket can hold one pair of footwear. You may also use these kind of command hooks as key holders without any need for drilling. You may use these kind of shoe bags for travel or in case you want to carry your shoes for the gym. This nylon bag can accommodate 2 pairs of footwear. You can also use these kind of shoe bags for storing the occasionally used party wear footwear. The links of all the products used in this video have been given in the description box below. Watching this video and found it to be useful. If yes, then don't forget to give a thumbs up for the video and please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Sizzling with your YouTube channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.